Welcome back to Clicking with Confidence. I'm Rico and I'm still the old guy in a chair. So, you want to use YouTube to subscribe to channels and keep track of the videos you like, but you're not sure whether or not you need a phone number or a Gmail address? Well, the answer is not always. I mean, if you already use Gmail, you have everything you need. But what you do need is an account, not a channel. We'll talk about the difference at another time. I mean, you can certainly watch YouTube without signing in. But if you want to subscribe, like videos, save videos, keep track of what you watched, you'll definitely want a Google or a YouTube account. And here's an important point. You don't need to create a YouTube channel. That's for content creators. That's not what you're doing today. So, how do you create your account? Well, just go to youtube.com. Find the sign in button in the upper right hand corner, and if you have a Gmail address, like I mentioned, just type that in with your password, and that's it. You're signed in. Now, what if you don't use Gmail? You can use your Outlook or your Yahoo or even your AOL account email address to sign in. Just click where it says create account, follow along, enter the information, and create a strong password. So, question, do I need a phone? Google may ask you if you want to add a phone number, and if you're given the option to skip it, you can certainly continue without one, okay? But sometimes Google may insist that you enter a phone number, and that's really just as a security check. I mean, the most important thing to remember there is a phone number is not what makes you a YouTube subscriber. If Google lets you complete the setup without one, you can still use YouTube normally. Adding a phone number can be useful for like account recovery if you forgot your password or have trouble signing in. So, how do you subscribe to channels? Well, once you've created your account and you've signed in, find a channel you enjoy. Under the videos, there's always a subscribe button. Click that. That's it. The channel is now added to your subscriptions, and it's all free. If you want notifications, then, when that channel posts something, click the little bell icon next to subscribe. And you can choose how many notifications you want to hear or see. Now, how do you find those channels again? Well, when you come back to YouTube the next time, make sure you're signed in, and then look for subscriptions on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see all the channels that you're subscribed to. And you'll also see recent videos from those channels. Now, you can always save videos to watch later, and YouTube does a really good job of keeping a history of what you've watched and recommending similar content. So, in short, remember, you don't need a YouTube channel just to watch and subscribe. You may not need a phone number. Your mileage may vary there. And if you already use Gmail, you already have a Google account you can use. So sign in, find a channel you like, and click subscribe. And if this video was helpful, please practice what you just learned. Click subscribe on this video, and you've just done it yourself. So congratulations. This is Clicking with Confidence, and I'm Rico. I'm still the old guy in a chair.